Hi everyone and welcome back to the Shopespot Help Center. Today we'll be looking at the function of brands on the Shopespot Partner Dash, which will allow you to create your brands and add all of your different brands that you have, that your business has to offer, that clients can go in and have a browse through and also buy. So just to give you an idea of what this is, when somebody is on your site and they go through to your store or your shop or however it is you label your site, when they come through to the section, this is where you'll be able to link all of your products to specific brands. So if you have multiple brands as part of your business offering, then this is where you'll actually be able to list all of those. Makes it that much easier for clients and potential shoppers when they do come through to you to zone in on a particular brand and see all of the items that are linked to those. So the first things first, you'll go through to components. You'll go through to brands, and here you can view all the brands that you've currently got. So just to give you an idea of what that looks like, these are the three brands that are currently linked, and obviously this is a demo site, so it's all dummy data. On the site, you can see there's the three brands here, and it's exactly the same as this. So if you want to add a brand, you'll simply click on the plus sign, and that will take you through to this cool, neat little page here where Shopespot's AI does all the legwork for you. All you'll do is create a title and choose a particular background image if you want for that brand. Give that brand, add in the brand name, put in a description for that brand, and add an image if you want. The cool thing about this is that Shopespot, on every single nook and cranny of your end-to-end business solution, it caters for the meta titles and descriptions and keywords and authors and all of that. For those of you that are not too au fait with what that means, this is actually the keywords that will be used when somebody's searching for any particular item or any section that's relevant to your site. These keywords is then what the web crawlers such as Google and the search engines out there use in order to be able to return the results. So that's also a really cool, nifty feature that Shopespot has. And once you're done with all of that and your brand's good to go, you click on submit, and that will then add your brand. Just to give you an idea of what a brand that's been uploaded would look like, if you were to go to beauty brands, for example, and just again, whenever you see this notepad with a pen, it's always an edit function which will take you into the detail of that particular item. As you can see here, there's the beauty brands and there's the image and stuff that's been loaded. So it's as easy as that. Um, Easy peasy. Shopee does all of the legwork for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. And have a good day.